Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is full of lots of Zara goodies. I have some new spring bits that just came in and I'm dying to share them with you. And I'll show you how they fit as well as how I'm styling them. And I also have a few express bits that I'll throw in there as well. I haven't shopped there in a long time and I thought I'd give it another try, and I'll share those pieces with you as well. So before we begin, if you love Zara hauls and enjoy dressing in a very chic and modern way, then I think this channel would be perfect for you, and I'd love it if you please subscribe. So hit that subscribe button down below before you leave this video today, and let's begin with the haul. I can't resist a floral dress in the springtime, so I thought I'd give this mini dress a try. This dress is $49.90 and I picked it up in a size medium. It has a round neck with a button closure in the back, 3/4 sleeves, and a very flouncy hem. It hits me at mid-thigh, so it is a little on the short side, and it's 100% polyester, which is not exactly my favorite fabric, but this gorgeous floral pattern makes up for it. The flats that I'm wearing are also from Zara, and they're these gorgeous leather woven detail flats. They're $49.90 and they're very comfortable. I'm wearing a size 10, so it's very true to size. I felt this dress was a little too roomy at the waist, so I cinched it, and although it made the hem a little shorter, it did make for a more flattering silhouette. I also changed out the flats for these Vince Camuto heels that I just got. They are the perfect dupe for the Bottega Veneta Lido sandals, and I've linked them below along with everything else so that you can go shopping with ease if you like any of these looks. All in all, I think this dress is darling, and I love the soft neutral floral pattern. Again, I'm not crazy about the 100% polyester fabric, and it doesn't really wear very well in the spring, so I'm a little on the fence about this dress. Tell me, what do you think of it? I came across this tied crop top at the store and was intrigued, so I gave it a try. It's $39.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. It has a lapel collar, 100% cotton, which is of a poplin cotton, and I'm really not crazy about this type of poplin material. I don't find it to be soft, and it is kind of cheap looking. It has a V-neck, and it has short cuffed sleeves and a cross waist tie at the hem, and it has a front button closure. I'm not gonna lie, the ties at the waist were a little tricky to figure out, but once I did, I think they look really, really pretty. I wanted to go for an all-white look, so I paired it with this stunning midi skirt. This skirt is $69.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. It has a high waist with an elastic waistband. It has this gorgeous crochet trim at the hem, and it is lined, so that is always a wonderful thing. And it's 100% cotton on the shell and the lining itself, which is also wonderful. I really love the look of this outfit. An all-white look is so chic and elegant for spring, and this crop top keeps it very modern, and that's what I love when I'm putting together outfits. Looking chic and modern, but elegant as well. I finished the look with those same Vince Camuto heels and a really fun bag from Express that I'll talk about later on. What do you think of this top? Would you wear it? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to chat with you ladies, and I really wish I can hear from more of you so I can get to know you better. I wanted to try to give this skirt an entirely different vibe, so I paired it with this fitted tee from Zara and a wide Zara belt, plus vintage cowboy boots for a very fun boho style. This is definitely a more casual way to wear this skirt, and just proves its versatility in my wardrobe. There's just something about blue and white that screams classic for spring. This shirt dress definitely checks off that box for me. This dress is $49.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. It's a short dress that hits me mid-thigh. It has a lapel collar and long cuffed sleeves and an asymmetric hem. It has a front button closure and is made of 100% cotton, and it's a very soft cotton, so I love that. This definitely looks like an oversized shirt, but the asymmetrical hem gives it a very fresh look. I paired it with the same Zara flats, and of course I had to try to cinch the waist, so I used this wide Zara belt to do that. I have to say, when Zara comes out with belts, I try to snatch them up right away because they are a great way to elevate any outfit and emphasize your waist. I really love how this dress looks and fits, and it just gives me such spring vibes. I just really love that blue and white. Plaid is of course very hot this spring, and I love this window pane style. This cropped shirt is $39.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. It has a lapel collar and long sleeves, and I love this open back detail with a tie. It's a very unexpected treat, but I must say I'm not too happy about my bra showing. This top is made of a viscose cotton and linen blend. It's just 4% linen, but it's still really nice nonetheless. I'm a lover of neutrals, so I paired this top with these wide leg pants, which are definitely giving me very strong Jacquemus vibes. These are wide leg pants and they're $89.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. They have a very, very high waist, which I am so in love with. They have front real pockets, but the back pockets are false. They have a slight pleated detail in the front, and they have a zipper and hook closure. The fabric is made of a viscose linen blend, so it's very light and comfortable. I must say these pants are extremely long. I'm wearing them even with my tallest heels, which are 4.5 inches tall, and the pants are still brushing the floor. I'm 5'7" for reference, and I would say I definitely have to take these up at least a couple of inches. I'm really in love with this look, but the top is not really practical for me. I'm not okay with having my bra peeking out, and this is definitely a style that I cannot get away with going braless. Perhaps a cute bralette underneath can solve this problem. Okay, now I think that's kind of changing my mind about this a little. And these pants are so flattering. They hug the waist and flare out just enough to really give me the appearance of a tiny waist so that I don't have to wear a belt. Getting these hemmed is going to be a very easy fix, so I think these pants are definitely a great possibility for my keep pile. What do you ladies think? Do you like these pants? Let me know. I also came across this sleeveless top with the same pattern as the pants, so I had to pick it up. This is a limited edition top. It's $49.90. Again, I'm wearing a size medium, and it's a linen viscose blend. It has a V-neck and adjustable spaghetti straps, and it has a front cutout with a very ruched front as well, and it has an elastic smocking in the back. I'm actually very comfortable going braless in this top, thanks to the spaghetti straps that are adjustable, and also to the way the smocking in the back helps keep the front very tight and helps lock the girls in place. I think this is a very stunning look for spring. I think you can wear it to the office with maybe a cardigan over the top, or wear it out to dinner or drinks. It is so chic and looks way more expensive than it is. However, it is kind of on the higher side of Zara's pricing already. I do think I'm loving this top a little bit more than that plaid top I showed you just a second ago. Which do you prefer, ladies? Which one do you think I should keep? Crop tops are a must for spring, or any season for that matter. They're just great layering pieces. I found this crop top and I must say I'm very impressed. It's $17.90 and I'm wearing a size medium. This crop top also comes in white and orange as other options. It has a straight neck and wide straps, so you can easily hide a bra behind it. And it's made of a viscose polyamide and elastane fabric. It's very thick material and it really sucks you in, so I'm actually comfortable going braless with this as well, and you can easily hide a demi bra under it thanks to those wide straps. Now, black and white is trending very strongly this spring, and I've been on the search for a perfect pair of white jeans, and I think I might have actually found them. These jeans are $39.90, and they're a 99% cotton, 1% elastane, which I actually prefer to not have that much stretch in it. I do like my jeans to have a little bit more rigidity than stretch. These are very high-waisted, and they have a 5-pocket design and a zipper closure. They are flared at the leg, and they have slit openings to allow for your gorgeous shoes to peek through. As you can see, these jeans are extremely long as well, and even though I'm wearing my 4.5-inch heels, it is still slightly dragging against the floor, but I do love how they make my legs look a mile long. I most likely will probably have to take them up maybe just an inch. I finished this look with a vintage clutch and oversized sunglasses. I wanted to give this crop top a different look, so I layered it on top of the blue shirt dress you saw earlier. I love this look and how the black contrasts against the blue. It helps cinch in the waist without the use of a belt, but it did shorten the length a little, so if that makes you feel self-conscious, you can always pair it with a pair of shorts underneath. This dress is very flouncy at the end, so you can easily hide it without hurting your silhouette. Overall, I am definitely in love with this crop top, and I'm going to try to get the other 2 colors before they sell out. A white blazer is perfect for spring, and I managed to find this stunning tuxedo jacket at Zara. This is $89.90, and I'm actually wearing a size large because I do have broad shoulders and the mediums never seem to fit me. It has a satin effect lapel collar and long sleeves, has very pronounced shoulders with some shoulder pads in there, and has welt pockets. Plus it has a button closure, and it's made of polyester, elastane, and viscose. This blazer is so sophisticated and versatile. I think it would elevate even the most basic outfit. I'm pairing it here with a black and white outfit you just saw, but I'm also wearing it here with a Zara tank top and paper bag shorts for those chilly spring days. If you're like me and denim jackets aren't your thing, then I think this white blazer is a perfect alternative. I had to include a little pop of color, and this coral knit sweater is perfectly lightweight for spring. It's $29.90. It comes in this coral color and also a butter color, which is kind of like a beige. It has a round neck and short sleeves, and it's made of viscose nylon, polyester, and cashmere. Only 6% cashmere, but it still feels really soft. It is very lightweight and a little see-through. I could see my bra through the top. You may not be able to see it in the video, but it was showing through. I paired the top with a gorgeous crochet skirt from this haul, and I love how this looks. The top was so soft and light and draped ever so perfectly for a very flattering look. I love it when a top is fitted but not overly tight, and this one was just right. Don't you love this color for spring? I think I'm obsessed with it. Lately, I've been seeing some really gorgeous IG posts featuring Express, and it revived my interest in them because I haven't shopped there in a long time, and I decided to give them another try, and wow, I was pretty impressed. Starting with this really pretty sleeveless top. This Express top is $50, and it comes in this golden peach color as well as white and also a darker coral peach. It is cropped and has this tie at the front of it, although it's very versatile and I'm wearing it in the back in this case. It has padded shoulders and a mock neck, and it has a keyhole cutout in the back with a couple of clip closures. It is a cotton, polyester, and spandex blend. I'm wearing it with the Zara jeans from this haul, and I'm really in love with this look. I'm honestly considering getting this in the other 2 colors because it really is that fabulous. Now, can we talk about this bag? I came across this slouchy handbag and absolutely had to have it. I don't have a camel toned bag in my collection, and this was the perfect neutral bag. It's $68 and it also comes in black. It has a thick shoulder strap and a magnetic closure, and it's a faux leather which is made of a polyurethane. Now you have to have this bag stuffed in order to keep its shape, because otherwise it does collapse when there's nothing in it. And to give it its best look, it should have some stuffing in there in addition to your items. Now, Express often has really great sales and really great coupons, so I am definitely considering getting this in black and hopefully can get a discount on it. I think a white dress is a must for spring, and this Express maxi dress is absolutely beautiful. It's $108 and comes in this white color as well as a burnt sienna color. I'm wearing a size small, but I have to size up because although it fits me great everywhere, it is a little tight on the chest and I would like to have a little bit more room there. It is sleeveless and has tie straps on either shoulder which are adjustable, and it has a zip and hook closure in the back. It is made of a rayon and nylon blend, but it is very flowy and very pretty and really, really soft. I've added my favorite Vince Camuto heels with it and the slouchy bag. I feel so elegant and girly in this dress, and I really, really hope they have the medium in stock because I'm definitely going to be sizing up. Tell me if you shop at Express and if you would like to see more Express hauls from me, because I think I'm really going to start shopping there a little bit more often. Well, I hope you enjoyed these spring bits from Zara and from Express. Please let me know what your favorite item was down below in the comments. I've also linked everything down below for you to go shopping. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you please hit that subscribe button so you can join our little family. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or a thumbs down if you did not enjoy it, and let me know why. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.